how do you talk to these people? How do you introduce your new product or your new initiative to them? It's extremely important, and it's something you have to start paying attention to now more than ever before, probably.
Yeah, and that's an awesome point that I'm going to just touch on, because the companies, in our industry, it's obviously not as sexy as musicians, entertainers, and but still, we all do have super fans, and we work with, our probably number one robotic company is called Fanuc, and they're really one of the world's largest robotic companies, and we're a super fan. Now, whether they know that or not is different. And they're a company that would go to a trade show, typically spend a lot of money, have displays, interact, which is all great. And then there's other companies that are smaller that might provide like conveyors in a factory, but there's different kinds, and we all like certain brands and we're fans. So I think for the listeners, it's important for them to really understand what you just said. That doesn't matter the type of business you're in, you do have fans, and they can, I'm assuming, if you develop the right strategy, you can even go deeper with those customers or clients or fans and grow business and potentially attract new business through word of mouth,